Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain more of the Astralis Mugwort Leaf for the Midsummer Rhyme event. You can basically use that to exchange items in the store, as you can see here. So you can get it from completing daily quests. You can get 5 per quest. And then you can also get it just by completing normal stuff like fishing, not like completing, but like doing so. So if you press this button, as you can see, you'll also have a chance to earn it through the following methods: fishing, insect catching, bird watching, cooking, gardening, or collecting. And then you can also get it from the Dryland Dragon Boat challenge. As you can see, you'll get a lot by this. Also, side note, you can also purchase the Astralis Mugwort Leaf by using the Moonlight Crystals here. You'll get 2 per one purchase. So if I purchased 2 here, I'll get 4. So I really want this one, so I'll do like around 20 first. 22. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, that's not enough. What about now? Okay, that's enough, so I can get the crossbody bag. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!